Hey guys, all right, one of the coolest muscles on a body part are the biceps. All right, it's one of the sexiest muscles, one of the muscles that stands out no matter what you're wearing, t-shirt, polo shirt, tank top. It's very noticeable and it's an attention-getting muscle. So if you want to learn how to add that peak to the biceps to help split those sleeves, then watch this video. I'm going to show you 4 exercises you can do and a couple tips that you need to focus on to get really big biceps. What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you some things you can do to help increase the bicep peak, all right? The bicep peak is one of those things that a lot of people are after. However, they do the wrong exercises. If you're really wanting to isolate the bicep peak, you're really wanting to get growth with the bicep peak, you need to focus on the long head of the bicep, all right? The bicep has the short head and the long head. Most of the exercises people do are emphasizing the short head. The key to building the peak is working on the outer portion of the bicep, which is the long head, all right? Here's one of the easiest things you can focus on, one of the biggest tips I have. Put your hands, palms straight out, put your finger right in the middle, all right? Anytime you're lifting a weight in this direction, then you're really gonna emphasize the mid of the biceps. You're getting all of it, but a lot of the emphasis is on the middle portion of the biceps, all right? As you rotate your arms out wide by doing wide, you'll notice now I'm pointing towards the inside, which is the short head of the bicep. So a lot of the exercises people do are really focused on the short head of the bicep. Now, vice versa. Let's bring our hand closer and across our body. Now you'll notice I'm pointing at the outside of the bicep. That's the long head, all right? So when you're working in this range of motion with this movement across your body, you're working more of the long head. All right, now keep in mind, this is just a way to place a little more emphasis on the light head. Every bicep exercise you do is gonna be targeting both the short and the long head. However, if you're really wanting to hammer in on that long head of the bicep to bring up that bicep peak, the 4 exercises I'm gonna show you are some of the better exercises for helping you grow a taller looking bicep. All right, the first thing I'm gonna show you is a close grip. You'll notice hands coming in together. So close grip dumbbell curl. You can do close grip on a barbell. However, the barbell, the closer you get, the harder it's gonna be on your wrist. Places a ton of stress on your wrist. Dumbbells allow you to use your own wrist flexibility, all right? But by bringing the dumbbells here, you're working more mid. As you come in, there's gonna be a lot more long head involvement. So you wanna keep these close to your body and do this exercise for 8 to 10 reps. All right, 8 to 10 reps here. And also make sure you have your hands supinated. So basically what supinated means, if my palm is against my thigh, that is a neutral grip. As I rotate outward, that is supination. All right, you're supinating. So supinated is as far out as possible. That's gonna create a huge contraction in your bicep. Opposite of that, from a neutral position, if you go down, that is pronation, all right? So our goal here, as we're bringing them close, is supination. So you're bringing your pinkies up higher than your wrists, all right? That's one exercise. Second exercise is across body dumbbell curls. So you're bringing right across your body like this, across the midline. The middle of your body, you actually want to cross that. Just like this, midline. One other point I do want to make when you're working your biceps is keep your shoulders back. You'll notice a lot of people bring their shoulders in, and that's actually going to shorten the range of motion slightly, and it's not good for your shoulder health either. So keep your shoulders back and then come across. Then you'll notice squeeze the contraction in a supinated position as hard as possible. So supinate and squeeze. Supinate and squeeze, all right? Okay, so there's 2 exercises. The next one now, to really focus on stretching the long head of the bicep, you need your arms to be behind your body, all right? You wanna create a huge stretch in those biceps. Best exercise for that is an incline dumbbell curl. So incline dumbbell curl, you'll notice now my arms are behind my body. All right, you wanna keep that position and then keep your elbows back behind your body when you're doing these, all right? So this will be the 3rd exercise. Full stretch at the bottom, full contraction at the top. Full stretch, full contraction. This is one of the better bicep exercises you can do. The last one you're gonna wanna do is similar in motion to where you actually want your arms to remain behind your body. This is a drag curl. I'm gonna show you a drag curl with dumbbells. You can do drag curls with easy bar, curl bar, or a straight bar. But the goal here is to keep the dumbbells against your body. Bring your elbows back and bring the weights up. You're dragging the weights up your body. Bring them back down. Like that. You will notice a huge peak contraction, huge contraction in your peaks there. All right, so do that. 4th, I like to put this at the end, and you can do them as burnouts. But do these 4 exercises, and they're gonna place a lot more emphasis, like I said, on the long head of the bicep. Do it consistently. Work your biceps twice a week, all right? Twice a week, and incorporate these exercises, and before long, those bicep peaks are gonna start standing up, start stretching out those sleeves, and they're gonna look a lot more attractive. But anyways, I hope this video helped you guys. If you like it, man, like it, give me a thumbs up. That way I know you do like it, so I can create more videos like this one. Also, if you have any questions about any of these exercises, how to perform them correctly, how many sets, reps, or whatever, comment below, let me know. That way we can get to you and show you how to structure a workout based on these type of exercises. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.